friend ITS service. We have the Nintendo Switch. Charging port is broken. I'm missing traces, and I want to show you guys how I fix it. So this was missing. This gone, I don't care. I have one here. So guys, I did the connection between this to this to this, synchronize this to this by using this cool patch I got from, I think, Robot Technology. And then I put the green, and now we're just gonna put under the UV light and then wait, and then we put the new charging port. Thanks for watching.